Hello. Previously we saw how to create a project plan, how to add an activity in that plan, and how to create a BOQs. So we created two types of BOQ, material BOQ and labor BOQ. So material BOQ is basically used to give a order of material, and labor BOQ is used to give a order of labors for a particular contractors. So going with material order, so click on this purchase tab, click on material indent. So here are some previously created material indents, and if you want to create a new material indent, then click on this plus icon. So material indent is basically used to create multiple POQs, and you can give a order for a multiple materials. So select a material, select a project, sub project. After that, select a type. What is that type, material or asset? After that, click on this BOQ button. So here are the BOQs which are approved from your plan. So select some BOQs whichever you needed and click on add. So the material gets added and you have to mention the quantities, whatever quantities you are required. After filling the mandatory fields, simply click on submit. So your material indent gets submitted, and after that you have to approve the material indent. After approval, you can able to see this tab material or action, in which there is a due date field. The due date field is nothing but till what date you want the material at your site, and there is one button suppliers. After clicking on suppliers, you will get one pop-up, and there is a list of suppliers which are registered in our system. So select the suppliers to whom you want to float the RFQ. After that, simply click on the send button. So what happens? The RFQ will get floated for the selected suppliers. So this is the role of employee. Now, whatever for which suppliers you floated the RFQ, they will create a quotation and we will get back the quotation. So now we have to log in one of the supplier from this. So I will log in one supplier from this. So the portal URL is the same, only the login is a different. So here I will log in to Sumit Desai. So after logging, you will get this interface. There are some tiles like material indent, quotation, purchase order. So in this material indent, you will get the RFQ for which you requested. So you have to create a quotation against that RFQ. Click on this quotation button, you will get this interface. So put the rate, taxes and all, loading amount, unloading amount. After that, there is one detail section in which you have to put credit period, delivery period, some other fields, and you can attach some document from supplier side also. So after that, after filling all the data, you can submit the quotation. Once you submit, your quotation is submitted and employee will get this quotation. So now we will log into employee. So like this, the multiple suppliers will create their own quotation and we will get the same quotation. So in purchase tab, there is one compare quotation at which we see all the quotations received from the floated suppliers. So here we floated the quotation for 5 suppliers and we received the 5 quotations. So here we can compare the all quotations whatever received from the multiple suppliers. We can compare their rate, taxes, ratings, and many other things. Whatever the documents are attached, you can see the documents from here also. So here at a quotation 5, you can see there is one eye icon, purple eye icon. The it means the system is suggesting that you can finalize this quotation, and green eye icon is like the you. approved this quotation. So system suggesting quotation is based on your rate and taxes ratings given for that particular supplier. So this is one of the advantage of this system. And another thing is here you can't see the name of any supplier. Here only you can see quotation 1, quotation 2. So we can say that this is an unbiased vendor selection process. So in this way you can finalize the quotation. Here one another thing is that you can finalize different material from different suppliers, but you have to create a different purchase orders for the same. So in this way we can finalize the quotation. After quotation is finalized, there is a next step to create a purchase order. So in purchase order, what we do, we got a rate from a supplier, so we put a final order for that supplier. So here we put project, sub project, PO type, start date, end date, and we will add some material here. So I will just open a created purchase order. So this is a purchase order for two materials, and this purchase order is created. So after creating a purchase order, you can approve this purchase order, and after approval the purchase order, the supplier, whatever you finalize the supplier, for example here Sumit Desai is the supplier, so he will got this purchase order. So he will create a delivery challan against this purchase order. So again we have to log into that particular supplier to create a delivery challan. So here is one another tile purchase order. So here you will get all the purchase order approved from the employee. So here one column delivery challan. From here you can create a delivery challans. The delivery challan is like a supplier is creating one receipt that whatever the material he is sending from his side. So in this way you can create a delivery challan. So after delivery challan is created, that means supplier will send the material to our side. So before coming to our side, the material come to our gate. So employee will create a gate pass for the same. So here I will do employee login. So now the employee role is again there. So in purchase there is one another tab, get pass. So here whatever the material is sent by the supplier, you can mention here like a delivery channel number, vehicle number, driver name, uh, again weight, in time, out time. You can mention these things in get pass. So this is a get pass. After that, there is a final step, that is a GRN, which is like goods receipt note. So goods receipt note is uh, whatever the material is sent by the supplier, that we cross check that material. Is there any faulty material? Is the quantities are sent properly? Then we will create a GRN for the same. So create a GRN, select a project, sub project. After that select your purchase order number, challan number. So here you will get the materials whatever sent by the supplier. So from here you can make a entry in our system that how much material is getting us, and if there is some faulty material then you can add this material to PO, also back to PO, or you can create a debit note. Like this you can create a GRN. Another tab is there, field test and lab test. If you want to do some field test and lab test, then you can do the same from here. After that, once your GRN is done, that means your material is in your inventory. To see that material in your inventory, go to master data, go to inventory tab. So here is your material in your inventory. So in inventory, inventory is nothing like our store. So for every project there is one store, and we add a material against that project. So in this way we can order our material and we can maintain in our inventory. So in this way the purchase flow works. Thank you.